Hello everyone! Today we will discuss Odoo POS Receipt Design. This module allows businesses to customize and manage POS receipt layouts directly from Odoo. It enables users to create branded and professional receipts with logos, promotional messages, tax details, QR codes, and custom formatting. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's see the workflow. In our database, we will first make sure that our module is already installed. Now we will go to Point of Sale, and under Configuration, we will navigate to Receipt Designs. Here, multiple receipt designs are already available in our database. Now we have to generate a new one, so I'll just click on New. First of all, we have to give it a name, Receipt Design New. Here we have to enter our XML code, which contains all the information such as store details, logos, custom messages, tax details, QR codes, and custom formatting according to our business requirements. I already have one prepared, so I'll just paste it here and save this. Now we can see that our newly created receipt design is also available here. Next, we will go to Settings, and under POS, first of all, we have to select the shop where we want to apply this newly created receipt design. I'll just open Close Shop, then scroll down and we will see this option called Use Custom Receipt. We have to enable this if it is not already enabled, and then we can select any receipt design we want. So I'll just select the newly created one and click on the Save button to save the changes. Now again, we will go to POS. Since we applied the changes to Close Shop, I'll just open the shop. Then I will buy a light blue jeans of size M and a casual t-shirt of size M as well. Now I'll click on Payment, select Cash, and validate it. Now this is the design of the receipt that we have newly created. We can also test the same thing by going back again to Settings under POS and selecting a different receipt design, let's say Receipt 5, and click on Save. Now again, I'll go to POS and continue shopping. I'll add a casual t-shirt, blue jeans, a jacket, and sneakers as well. Then click on Payment, and we can select Cash or Card, anything we want. Now we can see that this receipt design is totally different from the previous one. So in this way, we can customize our receipt designs, and we can also add a lot of information according to our business requirements. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.udesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.